In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to say GCash account number. So it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch this whole video on its entirety and don't forget to like and subscribe. So here's how you might find your GCash account number. So you can check account details, open the GCash mobile app on your device, log into your GCash account, look for an option called account or account information within the app's menu. The wording may vary slightly. In some cases, you might find your GCash account number listed there. And also you can see your GCash account number on your physical GCash card. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.